Greetings! Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. This is Marcus with Sweet Southern Savings. I wanted to go over a new arrival we just received, a few of the features and how to actually operate the unit. This is the SurePlunge, an amazing CO2 powered plunger. So no more manual plunging for me. Let's see what's in the box. First, of course, we have the handle. And next, we have the plunger face, which has a silicone rubber pad on it to airlock the toilet. And the decor stand, and packaged inside the decor stand are 3 CO2 cylinders that come with the unit. So let's put it together. So as you'll notice, the plunger face simply screws onto the handle. Make sure it has a good tight fit. And then to put the CO2 canister in the plunger, simply unscrew the top lid and then take one of your plungers out of the 3-pack. And place the plunger with the head down so it can puncture the cylinder. And then replace the cap. Make sure it's set tight. Now I'd like to give you a quick demonstration of this product. I just happen to have a toilet right here. You open the toilet and insert the plunger. Make sure that this goes down the tank line and that you have a good solid suction fit right here so you don't lose any of the CO2. So I'm putting it in. This is about the angle you want to be depending on your actual toilet for a good operation. Once it's set in place and sealed, simply you take your thumb and press the CO2 button. Bam! And it will clear the blockage. Now it claims it will clear any blockage, no matter how big or small. And of course I'm going to test that. I want to let you know one thing. If you need extra cartridges, you can order them. This is a 5-pack, and we happen to get 3. We've got to have a backup. And after using this system, remove the old cylinder and discard of it. Mind you, it's cold. Now I've reassembled, and you can place the unit on your stand and place it near the toilet. Go Super Plunger. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any other questions or comments, I'll be happy to answer. Thank you. Have a great day. Can't do 2 things at once. Hello there. I want to quickly go over the discharge of the SurePlunger so you can enjoy it. You'll actually see it discharge. I have it placely firmed within the toilet in the trunk line, and I take my thumb to activate the CO2 cartridge. Booyah! After plunging, extract it and take the old CO2 cartridge out so you're not left with it hanging or leaking. Thank you for watching this portion of my video. Have a great day.